Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 18. I am teaching you chapter number 14. Name of the chapter is Community Services. Okay. So, student, we have completed the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A, MCQ question. Question number B, fill in the blanks. Then question number C, write true or false. And after that we have completed question number D, that is give short answer. Now today we will write long question answers of the chapter. So student, start writing long question answer from the new page. Is it clear? Start writing long question answers from the new page. So question number E, give detailed answers to the following questions. Question number 1. Write any 4 roles of the Gram Panchayat. Okay. So this is a local self-government. First of all, note down the question. Little explanation I will give, and after that we will note down the answer in the classwork copy. Write any four roles of the Gram Panchayat. So student, what is Gram Panchayat? Gram Panchayat is a local self-government. In India we have 3 levels of a government. Is it clear? In India we have 3 levels of governments. So this local self-government is in the rural area, that you can say in the villages. So every village has their own Gram Panchayat, and the members elected are from the same villages. Okay, members of the Gram Panchayat are elected that are from the same village. And who are the people? How they are elected? So they are elected by giving the votes. Now the question arises, who gives the vote? So the student answer is people living in that villages. Okay, people living in that villages whose age is 18 or above 18 can give the votes. And when the members are elected, so these members choose one head, and that is known as sarpanch, or you can also say pradhan of the gram panchayat. So for the villages area, all the facilities, all the work done for the welfare of the people living in the villages, that is done by the gram panchayat. So we have to write any four functions of the gram panchayat. Okay, see, when I teach you the chapter, at that time I have discussed many functions with you: maintaining cleanness of the village, planting tree, digging wells, providing clean drinking water, establishing, setting up the primary health center, construction of a building, streets and road, construction of buildings, streets and road. This is also the function of a gram panchayat. Gram panchayat is responsible for all these things: supplying seed and fertilizer to the farmers, and even giving them a knowledge of the new technology to how to do farming and increase the production of the crops, establishing of adult education centers, setting up primary schools, and even setting disputes among the villagers. अगर विलेजर्स जो वहां रह रहे हैं, विलेज के पीपल्स, उनमें भी जो लड़ाई झगड़े हो जाते हैं फैमिली मैटर को लेके, या किसी भाई दो ग्रुप के लोगों में आपस में लड़ाई झगड़ा कुछ हो गया, तो उसको भी सॉल्व करने का काम किसका है? ग्राम पंचायत का है. मेंबर ऑफ द ग्राम पंचायत solve the even disputes among the people of the villages. Okay, so note down the answer. The four roles of the gram panchayat are: first one, maintaining cleanness; maintaining cleanness of the village. Second point, planting trees; digging wells; and lightening of streets. Providing clean see more than 10 functions of gram panchayat is given in your book, but in this question we have to mention any four. So I have written any four function of the gram panchayat, except these function if you want to write another, because 10 points are given, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 points are given, so you can write any 4 point out of this 9 points. Is it clear? Maintaining cleanness of the village, planting tree, digging of the wells, lightening of the streets, providing clean drinking water, setting up primary schools. Primary schools are run by government of India, but they take care whether there is smooth functioning the services which are providing to the children, they are getting these facilities or not. Note down. Note down question number 2. What are the benefits of having a gram panchayat? So, what benefit we are getting with the gram panchayat? Note down the question. You can note down from the book also, and even you can note down from the board also. What are the benefits of having a gram panchayat? Okay, so student, firstly you note down the answer. After that I will discuss the answer with you. The benefits of having ए ग्राम पंचायत are, note down the first benefit, they look after the need of the people living in the village. Second, members of the panchayat meet from time to time to discuss the problem of the village and find ways to solve okay. See student, what are the benefit of having a gram panchayat? Just in the first question also we have discussed what are the roles of a gram panchayat. So what are these gram panchayat? These gram panchayat work for the welfare of the people living in the village. So they work for the people of the villagers, for people of the village. So they look after the need. They are, so every gram panchayat look after the need. What are the basic needs of the people living in that area? What type of a facility should be provided to them so that they can live a easier and comfortable life? So all these things they are looking for, and for the benefit of the people, these members of the gram panchayat meet from time to time to discuss the problems of the village and find ways to solve them. ये जो मेंबर्स होते हैं ये टाइम टू टाइम आपस में भी मिलके या गांव के लोगों से मिलके उनकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, दे कलेक्ट ऑल द डाटा एंड दे आल्सो सॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, और उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को भी सॉल्व करने का काम कौन करते हैं बेटा? ग्राम पंचायत। ओके, सो और ऑलरेडी हमने 10 पॉइंट्स डिस्कस कर ही रखे हैं कि व्हाट आर द थिंग्स, व्हाट आर द रोल ऑफ ए ग्राम पंचायत इन द विलेज। Now, next question. Question number 3. Mention any 4 things that a municipality does. Mention any 4 things that a municipality does. Okay. Question 3. Mention any 4 things that a municipality does. Okay. So student, we have, when I am teaching you chapter number 14 and when we discuss the function of a municipality, so providing good living condition for the people, they work for the people of a town or city. Okay, so they provide good living condition to the people living in a town or city. Second, build and maintenance of the road and keep them clean. Okay, that no one should throw garbage on the roads, and if the roads are broken, then who will maintain this road? That is their function. And provide enough water for all the daily needs, because student, we know that we need a lot of water in our day to day life. So, and in cities area, towns area, water is house supplied. Water come in the houses through the pipelines. So they decide time to time the water is coming. So they, that is also their responsibility that they provide enough water, okay, for all the daily needs. Next, provide people with clean drinking water. Next, set up schools for the children. Okay, set up schools for the students, and even for they are uh, even adult education centers and libraries are also there. Even in this community is also encouraging the, to whom, school student, they motivate them that they can teach adult person if there is any adult person in their family. Okay, ensure that supply of the electricity to homes and lightening of the street. Student, we know that maximum things which are in our houses that runs on electricity. So This is also the duty of the municipality, that they ensure that in that area there is proper supply of the electricity. Make parks and gardens for and plants tree. Build and maintain market and public toilet also. So student, these are all the responsibilities of the municipality. So note down the answer. See, uh, see, 10 points are given in your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points are given in your book. So out of these 9 points, student, you can write any 4 points. So note down the answer. So functions of municipality are, answer 3. Provide people with clean provide people with clean drinking water. Clean drinking water. Second, make parks and garden and plant trees. Make parks and gardens and plant makes park and garden and plant trees. Okay, make parks and gardens and plant trees. Third one, provide good living conditions for the provide good living condition for the people of a town or city. Okay, provide good living conditions for the people of a town or a city. Fifth, build maintain roads and keep them okay. See, function of a municipality are provide people with clean drinking water, make parks and gardens and plants trees, provide good living condition for the people of a town or city, build and maintain roads and keep them clean. Okay, thank you student.